this will be one of the first video of the year. So today I want to talk about the understanding gold and how to calculate gold pips. Understanding gold and how to calculate gold pips. A lot of new beginners don't know how to calculate gold pips. A lot of people come into gold and they try calculating the pips of gold the way they calculate currency, and so for that reason I decided to talk about this. And let's see, let me get a writing tool so we can share more light on this. So for you to calculate gold, you should know that the way you calculate gold pips is quite different from how you calculate the normal currency pips. So if I may if I may write something here, let me see if this thing can write. It's not writing. Just hold on. I'm trying to get a drawing tool. So let me use this test to see. Trying to set up something here. So now let's say if you are using gold, if you want to calculate gold pips, this is how you calculate gold pips. Let's say for instance now you're having 4,000. Let's use the price here. 4,000, 4,398.046. So now if you want to calculate gold, you should know this. You don't calculate gold from the after this decimal point. Your main focus is on this point. Your main focus is on these 4 digits: 1, 2, 3, 4. This decimal point, everything behind this decimal point is not valid. So you count gold based in tens. You understand? In tens. So let's say now we are having 4398. If this price moves from 4398 to, let's say, gold price move to 4399, this is 10 pips. You understand? This is 10 pips. If you move from 4398 to 4399, that 1 pip movement on gold is 10 pips. Increment from 4398 to 4399. So this is what? This is a 10 pip movement. It equals to 10 pip movement. You understand? So that's 10 pip movement. If gold moves from, let's say, 43, this is 999, so that will be 400. 19 after 99 is 100, and that's 400. So this is what? 20 pip movement. So every 1 pip movement in gold is 10 pip. Outside this decimal point, just ignore the decimal point, ignore the digital, ignore these digits after the decimal point. So you start your calculation from this, the number before this decimal point, this number here, this 8. So this is 400. So every 1 pip movement on gold is 10. I don't know if you are getting this. Every 1 pip movement on gold is 10. If this price should move from 4,400 to, let's say, if it moves to 4,410, this is a 10 pip movement. Let me put the decimal point. So whatever is behind this decimal point, just ignore it. This is a 10 pip movement from 4,000. Sorry. from 4,000, 4,0,401. You see, from 4,401, this is a 10 pip movement. If gold decides to move to, if it moves from this to 4,402, this is 20 pip movement. If it moves from 4,403, this is what? This is 30 pip movement. If it moves from 4,404, this is 40 pip movement. If gold moves from 4,405, this is 50 pip movement. And if gold moves from 4,406, this is 60 pip movement. And if gold moves from 4,407, this is 70 pip movement. If gold moves from 4,408, this is 80 pip movement. If gold moves from 4,409, this is 90 pip movement. 4,410, this is 10 pip movement. You understand? And so on and so. This is 100 pip movement. You understand? So this is how gold works. Let me make it clearer for everyone to, to understand what I'm saying better. So let's say gold move from 4,402. This is 20 pip movement. Now move to the next one. The next one is equal to 30 pip movement. The next one is 40 pip movement. The next one is 4,405. That's 50 pip movements. I believe everyone is getting this. So this is how you calculate gold, so you won't be confused. 4,406, because a lot of people doesn't know how to calculate pips on gold. A lot of people does not know how to calculate pips on gold. They just enter the trade and drag their stop loss to the price they want to lose, not knowing that sometimes some of this thing is very key. It's very important you know how to calculate all these things. So 4,406, so that's 60 pips. You get? So the next one is what? 4,407, that's 70 pips. The next one is 4,408, that's 80 pips. 80 pips. The next one is 4,409, that is 90 pips. And the next one is 4,409, that's 90 pips. And we have 4,410, that's 100 pips. Do you understand? So now let me even go further to explain this again. So if peradventure we have something like 4,412, if gold moves to 4,412, that means we have what? That means we now have so how many pips will this be now? Gold moves from 4,412. So how many pips will this be? I told you, okay, so let me make it 4,111, not 12, 4,111, 4,4,111. Let's say 4,411. That will be how many pip movement? This will be 110 pip movement. And if gold moves from this, if gold moves from, so if gold moves from 4,412, that will be what? That will be how many pip movement? This should be assignment for you. Let me wait. So who will get it right? So if gold moves like this, 4,412, this will be what? This will be 120 pip movement. So you should know this. Gold moves in tens. You understand? Ignore the decimal point, not so you won't confuse yourself. Just ignore the decimal point for you not to confuse yourself. Gold moves in tens. It moves in tens. After the decimal point, like after this decimal point here, every number behind this decimal point, ignore it. So let's say from this 4,401, this 1 means 10. It's 10 pips on gold. On currency is 1 pip. But on gold, this is 10. When it moves to 2, that's 20 pips. It moves to 3, that's 30 pips. So when you are setting your stop loss, you should not think this is a 5 pip movement. So when gold moves from 4402, that is 20 pip movement. You understand? That's why when gold moves, you observe that when gold moves 1 pip, the price, the profit or loss you make is higher than what you make. Is higher than what you make on currency. So this is how you calculate gold. So we are going to stop here. The next video that I will drop will be based on how to calculate. Sorry, so based on how to read market structure, and mark out your zones where you pay attention on trading based on the strategy I use. So thank you, and this will be the end of the class for today. But a quick one, I would like to give an assignment for those that will do it. So what's the assignment here? The assignment is if gold, capital letter. If gold moves from 4,4200 point 16, if gold moves from this point to 4,000 to 4,000, let's say 4,230 points, let's say 16. So let's say gold moves from this. If gold moves from if gold moves from here, let's do it. If gold moves from 4,420.16 to 4,423.16, how many pip move? How many pip move is it? So this is the question. So try and get your answer. You can post on the comment section, and I will be there to correct once I see it. Thank you.